Hello all, I'm excited because I created a RAG-based chatbot. Yes, not just a simple chatbot, which I did earlier, but this time it is a RAG-based chatbot. So basically, I have a few PDFs in one of my folder and I want to query them. I created this RAG bot so that I can ask any questions to summarize the PDF and make things easier. I have used a lot of open source materials here. As you can see, I have a few files called as the rag.py, where I'm using the Hugging Face embeddings, and then I have the app.py, which is basically the helping me the front end. I'm using the Streamlet, and then I am using a few other files, which is basically helping me with the requirements and then to generate the vector store. This basically helps me um, process all the files. So if I remove and or add new PDF files, this script is going to help me parse it for me, and I can ask any questions one after the other. So to give a simple example, this is a RAG-based chatbot. I'll ask any questions because if I have to show you the folder, I have a few files that I have created, and then I ask the questions. If things are not good, I click as not good, and it'll ask me whether I have to create a service now ticket or not. Unfortunately, because of some issue in the service now, I'm not able to show you the instance how it is going to create a ticket, but it's very simple. I'm going to call the ServiceNow API. I have created a call for ServiceNow API incident form, and as soon as if I say this is not good, then it asks me a question if I want to create a incident in ServiceNow or not. And if I click yes, then it's going to grab all the details about whatever I have asked, and it's going to create a ticket in ServiceNow. Thank you.